Steve. Hano Diamantopoulos. Thank you to all the staff who have come out this evening to celebrate our graduates. I would like to especially thank the 8th grade team for their assistance with planning the ceremony and celebrating our graduates. Thank you to Mrs. Moon and her husband who crafted the fabulous slideshow that opened this evening's event. We thank the Education Foundation for providing the flowers on the stage. And a special thank you to our parent-teacher organization and the 8th grade parent graduation committee for all you have done to make graduation special for our students, especially the delicious graduation breakfast this morning. In just a moment, the students will recess out, but please stay in your seats until all the students have exited. You will meet your graduate in the cafeteria. Students may keep their graduation gowns. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present the 2022 graduating class of Field Middle School.
Can you take one picture, please? Pressing here. I'm recording video. Just pressing here. Ano, Lexi?
Oh, bicho, baby, na saya takut tak ada kenapa sama aku.
Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us to honor and celebrate an important stage in our students' lives. My name is Dr. April Miller, and I'm the principal of Field Middle School. On behalf of Superintendent Dr. Erin Murphy and the District 31 Board of Education, I would like to welcome you to the graduation ceremony of the Field Middle School class of 2022. To bid them farewell and wish them the best as they begin their high school experience. This is also an opportunity for us to show appreciation to those who have helped our graduates achieve this milestone. To the field staff, thank you for providing our students support, guidance, and encouragement. Your dedication and compassion for the children of this district are invaluable. To our parents and guardians, thank you for your patience, collaboration, and commitment to the success of your child. And to our graduates, thank you for enriching our lives, for making us laugh, for making us think, and for making us better educators, and for making us so proud to be a part of your journey. At this time, please welcome Dr. Erin Murphy, Superintendent.
I personally remember welcoming this class as fifth graders during my last year as principal at Field, when I was so excited to share with you about life as a middle school student. Although your middle school experience may have been a little different than anticipated, it does not diminish the specialness of this occasion and of each and every one of you. The last 3 years are an integral part of your identity as the class of 2022. But it is not your legacy. You are leaders, you are resilient, you have created a cohesive identity in the most extraordinary of times, and you are strong. And the District 31 community is so proud of you. And as you reflect on this graduation years from now, may it always remind you of a time in your life when you were part of a community that supported each other and helped develop you into the individuals and leaders you are. We are so appreciative to have been part of your journey, and we look forward to all the new beginnings and graduations ahead of you. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Murphy. I now welcome Dr. Allison Slade, Board President, to address the graduates on behalf of the West Northfield School District 31 Board of Education.
Good evening. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Allison Slade, the President of the West Northfield School District Board of Education. I'm honored to represent the Board of Education at this year's graduation and deeply thank both the current board members and all of the board members who have served during this class's tenure for their service and dedication to District 31 and the amazing students we see before us today. This is a momentous day, and I know I speak for your parents, families, and District 31 faculty when I say we marvel at how much you've accomplished, not just this year, but for so many of you, for 9 years in our special District 31 community. However, the 2022 graduating 8th graders spent their entire middle school careers differently than every other graduating class to cross this stage. We all admire you for the resiliency and leadership you've shown during this pandemic. And we are truly grateful to all of the families and staff for supporting these students through the 3 most challenging educational years we've had in our memory. I hope all of our graduates can take a moment to thank those special people, parents, grandparents, aunts or uncles, teachers, and principals. Their support has been so critical to your success. As you move into high school, I hope you will take the lessons learned here at District 31 with you, and the kindness and commitment to one another you have shown here will be magnified as you move forward into a much bigger pond. Be kind, be thankful, and remain committed to making your world a better place for all to live in.
Thank you, Dr. Slade. Our graduation celebration is not complete without hearing the voices of our students. It gives me great pleasure to introduce Anaya Patel to offer the first student graduation reflection.
Hello and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, administration, and fellow peers. Welcome to Field Middle School's Class of 2022 graduation. Theodore Seuss Geisel, also known as Dr. Seuss, once said, "You have brains in your head, your feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself in any direction you choose. You're on your own, and you know what you know, and you are the one who will decide where to go." But to look towards the future, we have to acknowledge the past and how we got here today. When I look back on the first days of middle school, and I don't know about you, but all I could think about was trying to memorize my locker combination, hoping that I'd master how to open it up in between classes. But then came COVID, where all we thought about was staying safe. Lockers and schedules really didn't matter anymore. What I didn't expect was that through this experience, Field School would teach us to change, to adapt to a different set of changes and challenges that would come our way. We learned to deal with a different kind of adversity. We learned how to work with peers over Google Meets, socially distance, and respect people and their decisions. It made me realize that tough times can be really good teacher. We can learn a lot. Which brings us to tonight. Standing here, I know the transition to high school will be a significant one. And with the preparation we have been given, I know each and every one of us will meet new people, make new friends, and do well in our classes. We have gone through over 9 years of school together. We have taken tests and quizzes, completed hours of homework, and have been filled with a great deal of knowledge. I've gotten to know most of you over the years, and I can confidently say every single one of you is very intelligent, creative, and talented. High school is going to be a phenomenal chance for us to find our interests and true passions. Finally, I would like to say thank you to all of our teachers, principals, parents, and friends for supporting and teaching us many lessons that we use as we navigate the next years of our life. I truly appreciate all that you have done. Thank you, and good night.
Thank you, Anaya. Field Middle School has a proud tradition of music. We are pleased to celebrate graduation with a musical offering from our graduation choir, led by Mr. Casey Carbell, made up of graduates and 6th and 7th grade students. Please welcome the Field Middle School graduation choir. Mrs. Nancy Kim to present our first award.
The American Legion Award is an award that is given to students in 8th grade who have shown outstanding character, service, courage, honor, leadership, and scholarship. This award is chosen by our staff who have been privileged to work with a fine group of young people for 3 years. The American Legion recognizes a male and female winner and a male and female honorable mention. The honorable mention recipients are Anna Hattel and Kamran Kadakia. And the winners of the American Legion Award are Anaya Patel and Philip Young.
Thank you, Mrs. Kim. Mrs. Mary Beth Holting will present our next award.
So in the year 2000, we lost a very special student to cancer. His name was John Lichtenheld. So in order to keep the spirit of this wonderful young man alive and to honor the qualities his life represented, the John Lichtenheld Award was born. The students receiving this award were chosen by their peers. The recipients are being honored because they too exemplified the qualities of scholarship in the classroom, citizenship in the community, and sportsmanship in life. On behalf of the staff and the class of 2022, we are pleased to recognize the winners, Anaya Patel, Gabriela Tabernides, Andre Georges, and Kabir Cuddy.
Thank you, Mrs. Holting. I now welcome our second student speaker, Jimmy Fallon.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to stand before you today to have the opportunity to give a speech at my first graduation of night. During my years at Field Middle School, things were pretty crazy. By the end of 6th grade, I was attending school from my house, which was great at the beginning, but as we moved forward into the year, we realized that we were alone for the whole school day. Sure, we got to leave school early and sleep in later, but most people started to miss going to school by 7th grade, which was when COVID-19 was in its prime. In 7th grade, there were many challenges of being remote for more than half of the whole year. Learning became much more difficult, concentrating was sometimes out of the question, and nobody was getting the amount of one-on-one connection that we needed on a daily basis. Despite the incredible efforts of our wonderful teachers and administration, around Q3, the school opened up again and we were almost back to normal. Many things were either taken away or changed entirely. Masks were required, we had to use hand sanitizer all the time, and we had to stay 6 feet apart. Lunch was changed, after-school clubs and sports were changed, and there were students getting COVID left and right. As we transitioned into 8th grade, we still wore masks, but we were in the school for the entire year. We trudged on through the difficult times, and the mask mandates were lifted, and school felt somewhat normal again. So you see, we were able to get through COVID because we adapted and did not give up. In my opinion, COVID taught us all a great life lesson as middle schoolers. We faced a challenging time, and we adapted and got through it together. While I still have a lot of learning to do, at the age of 14, I am certain of one thing. This is not the only challenge we will face. All of us will face challenges in high school, college, and beyond. Everyone faces adversity in life. No one is immune, but what separates us is how we handle adversity and make it to the other side. The life lesson that COVID taught us is that no matter the challenge, we must adapt, keep our head high, learn the new playbook, and put our best foot forward. If all of us have the same attitude toward whatever goals we set for ourselves in life, we will be able to go above and beyond that goal and do even greater things. There is no limit to what we can do in life if we set our minds to it and figure out how to overcome any obstacle that life may place in our way. Don't listen to anyone trying to bring you down, and most importantly, never give up. We can do anything. I would like to express my gratitude for every teacher that has taught me throughout my 3 years at Field. I have so many incredible memories at Field, and I know that it is a very special place because of the teachers, administration, and staff. Congratulations to the class of 2022. Thank
Thank you, Jimmy. Well, Field Tigers, you did it. You're graduating from 8th grade. This is hopefully the first of many graduation ceremonies for you. Although these past few years may have been the most unique educational experience you have, it is one in which you should take with great pride. You've handled this pandemic with grace, dignity, and compassion for others. You've already proven yourself to persevere in challenging times, to respect yourself and others by doing your part to keep our community safe, to be independent with your studies, to show us that you are dependable, and most importantly, that you are empathetic to those around you. We are proud of all that you have accomplished as a Field Tiger, but we are in awe of your focus, your strength, and your promise for our future. Congratulations. And now, 8th grade teachers, Mrs. Burns, Mr. Damon, Mrs. Gandhi, Mrs. Holting, Mrs. Kim, Mrs. Moon, Mrs. Roche, and Mr. Roche, and Mr. Sackley will present diplomas. You will also see current and past board members presenting a diploma to their child. It is a tradition in District 31 that board members, current or past, present the diploma to their child.
Name your daughter trust.
Please hold your applause until all the graduates' names are read. Will row 1 please rise? Introducing Mrs. Halting's advisory. Ryan Lee. Mitchell Lee. Daniel Berliani.
Ringkit mo na kung pagkakita. 따랐더라나. 라임이 먹은 것도 그때. 맛이 먹은 것도 그때.なんで A を一緒に出ようと思って。 kakak semeringkit. Wow kok.
Una sekarang itu sistem
As soon as I put my phone down.
Karata karta show.